Well, hello everybody! It's me, Chef Mario! And this is another special episode in honor of a YouTuber, Super Mario 134, with his show, Cooking with Chef Mario. Today we are going to be cooking one of my favorite pasta dishes, penne. Oh Mario, you don't have to do that. I already made the penne, see? Very funny, bro. It's not a penny coin, it's a penny pasta. And I'm going to put some nice delicious sauce and other ingredients in there. I knew that. Sure you did. But, sorry for the little joke here, but let's get started. Now for this recipe, we're going to need these ingredients. As usual, we're going to need these penny pastas in the box, tomato sauce, oregano, salt, and a little olive oil. Now that we have the ingredients, let's go over the directions. Step 1, first we're going to have to fill this pot with water. Not too much, you don't want to mess. I'll see what I can do. There, that looks pretty good enough. Alright Mario, you can take care of the rest. Alright, as you see, I moved the pot over to the stove here. Now we just gotta let it boil for a few minutes. Like 5 to 6. But before I boil the water, let me put in a little salt on it. Alright, now we let it boil for a few minutes. As we wait for the water to boil, let's put in some sauce in the other pot over there. In goes the tomato sauce. Now we gotta put in some oregano. Now that that's done, let's see if we can blend these together. That way it'll get this little extra taste. Now I'm just going to have the sauce sit for a while. And I'm pretty sure the water will boil up any minute. Wow, it looks like the water's boiling already. Now we gotta do the best part, adding the pasta itself in the pot. Now I just gonna mix it around, and we'll have it cook for about 12 minutes or so. I think it looks pretty good enough. Now I just have to taste test it to make sure it's alright. Delicious! It's perfecto! Let's put these babies in this strainer. Whoa, look at it smoke. Now shake it all around so all the water will come out. Now let's put these little pennies back in the pot. And now for some olive oil for a little extra taste. And we'll put some sauce on the pasta. In goes the sauce, and we move it all together so it'll be super tasty. Just like a spaghetti, but it's really penne. Finito! And that's how you make the delicious penne with delicious tomato sauce on it. And a touch of olive oil too. That's right, bro. Now it's time to dig in. And Super Mario 134, keep making those recipes super delicious. Ciao!